What's up, y'all? Welcome back onto another video. And today we're gonna be cooking some chicken, showing y'all how we ain't the best cookers, but it'll work. So here right here we have the grill. Nice, good grill right here. Right there. Take some pellets. Get balls. Got a nice thing down there. And we got a thermometer. Proper way to cook chicken. Y'all ready to see it? In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Shut that thing. Oh, you didn't season these. You want me to season that side?
No, I seasoned the other side.
Yeah, no, you gotta season each side.
Oh,
Remember? We
So
only
we're
seasoned
gonna
that
season
one
them?
side, so you gotta get all that and do that on that side and then shut it so it'll cook.
use this.
Here's that other stuff, son. Right here, these two right here.
Alright. It's really hard to get.
You're my cook, aren't you, son?
Yep. I gotta get these ones through the bars.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh, that smells like rookies. I swear that is.
But that'll smell good because that's that barbecue flavor.
Now we're gonna be using this. Yeah. Whoa. Way too much more. I gotta dump some of that off. There we go. These are actually getting quite a bit. Is that last one? Oh, that's a lot of stuff down there. Hey, Dad, this
Yeah.
is empty.
Okay.
I dumped,
That's good. Yeah, we'll just shut it and we'll let it cook.
I dumped a lot down there.
Here. We'll let it cook now. Do the honors, man. Just go throw this away. There you go. Throw that in that trash over there, son.
Think I can make it?
I don't know. Let's see. Nope. Oh, yeah. Make sure the dogs are in here. We'll let those cook. And then,
What's this? What's that?
you know, I don't know, son. Looks like it's a lid to a cooler or something.
Either that or something for water or something.
Oh, shit.
That hurts.
because it hits me in the shin. Nice. I don't know what the hell that is.
Oh, I hit my finger. Oh.
See, that's what it does. It hits me in the shin. Just let that cook for a minute.
What's up? Stick, 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 stick. I'm gonna show y'all the stick for a second. There we go. The 2 sticks. No, let's get inside.
We need some tongs. Does Grandma have some tongs?
She has some tongs. I know she does.
Somewhere? Oh, that's a meat cleaver.
She asked. She better. Right here.
Oh, yeah. Damn, I didn't see those. But we don't need to turn them yet, son. We don't need to turn them yet.
I had to go.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, there certainly have. Wait till you hear this. In November of 2017,
I'm not doing nothing. Chocolate. Chocolate. Shari-wa-pa-pa. Chocolate.
Yeah. In about another 10 minutes, we'll check it out, okay?
Alright.
in April 2018, awarded $117 million to Random Developed Messaging Development after including generated from
Hey, don't be messing with that shit.
I won't. Of this? Oh, sorry. Ooh, that hurt my teen toe. So tired. I feel so glad. The golf cart of a lifetime. So I'm fixing to go inside. Cause this thing ain't got no battery. That's why I was gonna be driving us around the yard. See, no engine either. Gosh, let's get one.
You got shit?
Huh?
You got shit, Keith?
No.
Can I help you? Herman Beavers.
Nicole Warren, my son Dion is in this class.
Oh, you're new.
Yeah, we just moved here.
And you're not feeling 100% confident in the new school yet. I get it. You are not the first nervous parent I've met.
Yeah, we've only been here a few weeks, and I just want to make sure that Dion's transition is smooth.
Happy to help any way I can.
I used to volunteer at his old school, so I got to see him around.
Well, if you ever want to volunteer here, just say the word.
How about today?
We'd have to fill out some forms for the city first.
Let's go.
Right now? Oh, yeah, okay.
Now, what do you think happens when I do this?
Your hair falls out.
Well, money. But no, what you get is static electricity. And I could use that electricity to do this.